Welcome to the video where today I'm going to go over one of my recent discoveries where I found out I actually have access to one of the lightest, most portable, ultra-wide creative setups. This setup is composed of M1 MacBook Pro 13-inch and a 12.9 to basically 13-inch iPad Pro. In macOS BigSur, one of the new features is that you get to mirror or extend your display from your Mac to your iPad. This means that you can actually use your iPad as a secondary display. When you're out and about or at a coffee shop, you will be able to have double the screen real estate at 26 inches, basically a 26-inch ultra-wide instead of 13. I recently got the MacBook Pro because I'm more comfortable editing on a Mac. Still use Adobe, but now I'm actually going to be editing this video in a 90-day trial of Final Cut. But anyway, I'm more comfortable in Mac, but then also I went from previously a 15-inch MacBook Pro now to 30-inch just because of all the raving reviews about the M1 chip. When the 16-inch comes out, I will get back to it. So, as the video describes, I'm going to show you how to enable this feature and some tutorials about how you could use this feature. Because I also found that while you can extend the displays, your touch input with your finger doesn't work for the cursor. However, with an Apple Pencil, it does. And why would I use this? Mostly because it's portable, which means you can take it anywhere, slap it in your camera bag or backpack. You have more screen real estate, which makes editing videos with, like, you could have Premiere open or Final Cut open and then have your folder files off on another screen, or basically what you would use on your desktop monitor at home if it's big enough, bigger than 13 inches anyway. If you're someone who likes maximum screen real estate, well then this is a good solution, as well as ultralight and thin as well. With the MacBook coming in at 1.4 kilos and the iPad coming in at about 677 grams, this solution comes out at just under 2 kilograms, which compared to my old solution of Alienware 17R5, which is closer to 4.5–5 kilograms. This is half the weight, less than half the weight, a lot faster for what I need it for, and smaller, more compact, so it's just more versatile and easy to get around with. If we put the two together, we can see that the iPad with the case is just about twice the thickness of the MacBook itself. Again, with the size, it's 0.1 of an inch off, which you can see right here. So basically it's like carrying 1.5 MacBooks, which, you know, is quite easy to hold with one hand, let alone on your back in your backpack. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and the new content that's starting to come out. This was just a small video to more or less go over how I'm going to be editing the new videos coming up. The response from the last video was really nice with the story of going around Taipei and what there is to do, what we did, leading all up to the big, for free, public concert. That was a successful adventure, and then stay tuned for video coming up in a couple of days where I had a less than successful adventure where I go out by myself and things didn't turn out how I planned for them to go out. Things didn't plan out how I planned for them to. So thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.